Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing Workast from the Level Up Marketplace. Enhance team collaboration with Workast. Assign tasks, track projects, and manage workflows, all within one intuitive platform. With real-time updates, automated reminders, and seamless integrations, your team stays organized and productive. Whether you're handling daily tasks or complex projects, Workast makes teamwork effortless. Streamline your workflow and boost efficiency with Workast today. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.